Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, the nicest one I've ever seen, 1985 CJ. I got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
I'm doing well, Mike. Thanks.
Dude, what a gorgeous Jeep. Holy
Thank you. Put my heart and soul into it many years ago.
And I could see that. I mean, every little piece is gorgeous, right down to the braided lines. So what'd you start with? What'd you do?
So I found an old the 85 in a barn in New Hampshire.
Wow.
Had very little mileage on it and no rust, and I wanted to keep it all original, all metal. There's no fiberglass on it. It's all metal. Converted it. Was a 4-cylinder at the time. Converted it to a crate 350 Chevy motor. Little fuel injection. Added AC. Kind of did way too much to it.
Looks like you went a little nuts.
I went a little nuts. I had come into some money and spent it all, and then some.
You gotta have 70,000. How much you have in this thing about?
About 68.
68 grand. Wow. Micky's. It's got a 3-inch lift, right?
Yeah.
Body off.
Complete body off, frame restoration. Every single bolt is new.
It's gorgeous.
I was going to build it for my son, so I actually did some accessories to it to convert it to a TJ if you wanted to, with an additional roll bar and some additional support to the window frames.
Cool.
It's got custom sink drains, which no one else has ever seen in their entire life.
I never seen that either. I was like, what?
You can wash the whole Jeep down inside and the water runs right out.
This is what he's talking about. Water runs right out.
Not a single bit of rust. Everything's pretty much waterproof or water resistant.
I noticed the color too right away. It's Corvette Sunset Orange Pearl, right?
I think it came out in 2006 was the color came out on a Corvette.
Yeah.
Love the color, the way it pops in the sun. Sometimes it looks red, sometimes it looks copper, sometimes it looks orange.
Yeah, tons of metallic. Beautiful. Love the tubular bumpers all the way around. And really the most impressive part is underneath this truck. I mean, it's new all the way around. You even have a catalytic converter on it. Crazy. It's sitting on 33, so 33 by 12.5. 15-inch Micky Thompsons. And brand new. Let's check out under the hood.
Hold it up.
Beautiful. Headman headers. Not many miles on the build too, huh?
Only about 10,000 miles on the build.
Wow.
Just don't have time to use it. 2 full-time jobs and 3 kids.
Yeah, that'll eat up your time real quick. Edelbrock high-rise manifold, Goodwrench 350 right out of the crate, right?
Yep.
Headman headers, leading back to dual exhaust. Sounds real mean and healthy. Be cool radiator with electric fan. Fuel injection, which is pretty cool. You can wrap the wires. Air conditioning.
Air conditioning was added after. I don't know why I did it. You don't really need air conditioning in a Jeep, but I did it anyway.
I like air conditioning. I'm blasted with the top down. I don't care.
That's what I do.
I just love it. Killer, man. Awesome. Inside, you left it kind of stock, right? Custom seats up front and custom seat in the back. All rhino lined all the way through. New seat belts. New. He also has the original steering wheel that goes with it.
And steering column.
And the column. This is a tilt wheel, which makes it really nice, comfortable, you know? 5-speed, huh? Wow.
It's got a lot of get up and go. It's got mechanical wheel lockers. You don't have to get up and do the...
oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You don't have to release the hubs. They're mechanical.
60,852 original miles?
Yep.
Really? Man, this is some find.
I got it with 57,412.
Wow.
When we did the build.
Let's fire it up.
It's got underneath lighting too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you change the color, or is it one color?
It's just one color.
Cool. LED, right? Man, sounds good. We go for a ride around the block?
Absolutely.
Let's go. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.